Hello everyone, today we will study about the role of education. What is the role of education in the development of people and its country? Education is the most important component of human resource development. It contributes towards the growth of the society, enhances the national income, cultural richness, and increases efficiency of governments. It means that education is very important for human beings because it teaches human beings to how to write, how to speak, and how to read, etc. And it is useful in development of the any country. How? Because when the more people are educated and literate, then they are useful in growth of their country. In view of its contribution towards the growth of society, government expenditure on education as a percentage of GDP. What is the full form of GDP? Gross domestic product rose from 0.64% in 1951 to 52 to 3.98% in 2002 to 3. However, our national goal is 6% of GDP. Literacy is uneven between males and females. Males are more literate. It also varies with urban and rural area. Urban population is more literate compared to rural. It means that literacy is not equal between males and females. Males are more literate and educated than the females. It varies that urban areas are more literate and educated than rural areas. Urban areas has high and more literate people compared to rural areas. There were 7.68 lakh schools by 2004 to 5, but education is diluted by the poor quality of schooling and high dropout rates. Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan is a significant step towards providing elementary education to all children below the age of 14. It means that 7.68 lakh schools are made in 2004 to 5, but education is not diluted by the poor quality of the schooling and high dropout rates. Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan was significant was to educate children up to elementary education. What is elementary education? Elementary education means up to 8th standard. 6th year old children to 14-year-old children. So let us move on next. That is literacy rates in India between person, male and female. So blue color is person, means all over, male plus female, and red is only male and green is female. In 1951, person rate was less than 20, and then 1961 it grows up to less than 30, then it grows up highly due to the education, due to the government educate the people by providing the government schools and free education. There were no fees. So male in 1951 male were less than 30 educated. So this grows up to 2011. Till 2011 we grows very much than 1951. So let us see next. That is, first is male and female. Here we can see that male are more educated than female, and next is urban and rural. Urban areas are more more educated, and rural areas are less educated. The next is poorest, second, middle class, fourth, and richest. This is between poorest, second class, middle class, and fourth and richest persons. So let us move on next. That is literacy rate between states. In Delhi 8%, in Goa 12%, in Bihar 11%, in UP 15%, in Tamil Nadu 9%, in Andhra Pradesh 25%, and in MP 20%. So highest is in Andhra Pradesh, that is 25%, and then less than it is 20%, that is Madhya Pradesh, and next is UP, that is 15%, then this grows up.